Morning, class 3. Today we will do our chapter 3, waste management. Now, beta, in last class we have done page number 11. Now, in this page, in this chapter, Rohit and his father were going for evening walk and they were discussing about the green dustbins kept on the roadside and the market. And Rohit was asking to his father that what are these dustbins for, one green and blue dustbins. All right, so once again we will read this chapter. Okay, Rohit and his father Mr. Sharma were on their usual evening walk. Rohit liked to walk along with his papa because during this time he could freely talk to him. So they were going for evening walk, and this time Rohit was talking to his father. Normally, the walk would also lead to some stores from where Rohit was sure to get his favorite ice cream. So, where Rohit was taking his ice creams, favorite ice creams. During these walks, Rohit would shoot innumerable questions to his father, and his father would smile at each question and answer them patiently. So Rohit asked many questions to his father, and his father gave all the answers very patiently. One evening, as they were walking, Rohit's eyes caught the attention of two large empty bins kept on the roadside. He had seen such bins at many places in the market and in front of his house, and wanted to ask his father who kept them there and for what. So Rohit asked his father who kept these bins in the roadside and the in market. So there were two bins. Okay, what are those two boxes? Rohit asked his father. Rohit asked his father, what are these two? What are those two boxes? Those are waste bins, said the father. Father said that these are waste bins. Why are two such bins kept by side? Rohit asked again. Oh, the green one is for putting waste things like rotten food, vegetables, fruits, used paper, etc., which would rot very fast and become one with the soil. The red one is for putting plastic and metals, etc. So, the green dustbin for rotten foods and paper, fruits and vegetables, and red dustbin for plastic and metals, which will not decay for a long time. Alright, the red dustbin will not decay for a long time. If you put all kinds of waste together, then separating them is very difficult task. If we will mix all these waste, so making them separate is very difficult task, his father explained. So, educated people with good civic sense will not litter things. You may have seen some people who don't have any civic sense disposing of waste on the roads or outside the dustbins. So, some people throw bins outside the dustbins, and they don't have sense of putting putting the waste in the proper dustbins. Now, next is, such people need not to be educated and sensitized there, asked Rohit. Well, first of all, the place would look and smell dirty, no disease. Dirty, no one would remove it from there, and as a result, bacteria would grow and spread disease. So, if we will throw waste outside, this will spread disease and bacteria. We would keep the public places as clean as our homes. We should keep public places as clean as our homes. Proper waste management is very important step in preventing public health care. So proper waste management is very important to prevent the public health, answered his father. We should appreciate the work of the municipal employees who keep our neighborhood neat and clean and free from smell. A sense of cleanliness should be first brought into our minds, then only we would be able to practice it in our personal and public life. So we should appreciate the municipal employees who helps us in keeping our roads and neighborhood clean. So cleanliness should be brought in our mind, only then we will be able to keep our personal and public life clean. In some countries, they have enacted and enforced strict laws for this. Undisposed waste can cause spreading of contagious disease and can be very dangerous to the society. So in this chapter, we have learnt about that we should keep all the waste materials separately, plastic and metals in red dustbin, and all food and other recyclable items in green dustbin. So in this chapter, Rohit's father explained the cleanliness in the neighborhood and the outside of the home, in our home and outside the home. So we should keep in mind all these things. So beta, all of you today read this chapter. Thank you.